Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Of university. This afternoon we are very excited, having received what you can see at the background, which are called science kits, and basically they are made for our primary schools. Sometime last year, I got a call from the Ministry of Education requesting me to select some 20 schools, the best 15 and the worst 5 following 2024 PLE results. And that is how these schools plus the kits were delivered here for those specific schools, because we are directed, we were given the guidelines. So as head of department in education in the university, we appreciate the government of Uganda and Ministry of Education for supplying these to our schools. And apparently, this is the first of its kind. We are happy because the world is now going towards science. In the past, science would be taught from secondary level, but now it's being brought down to the primary school level. Meaning that over the years, the world is going to change. The children will learn science from the beginning and grow with it. And I want to conclude by saying that tomorrow we're going to distribute this to the selected schools, and I request you people to come and also meet the head teachers as they'll be taking this to their different schools. But as a department and on behalf of the university, we're excited and we're very grateful to Minister of Education and Sports plus the whole country.
What do you expect from the users of these skills?
This is very motivating to both the teachers and the learners because they'll go practical. Some of these things they used to hear about them, but this time they'll be having it hands, and so that's very motivating. And we expect better results.
How about its usability as far as uh, the maintenance is concerned?
We shall advise them and educate them on the fact that these kits must not be sold off or mishandled. They should make use of them with the learners. And that's the purpose for which they have been brought.
What are the equipments contained in this package?
There are many things. We have items which are for basic electricity that inside. We also have basic mechanics for the lower classes. We have first aid kits which will be helped in, which will be used in the school. We also have a human body model for each of these. There's magnetic properties, some measurements, as you can see the rulers inside there, heat energy, and basic optics. And these are supposed to provide basic knowledge.
In terms of, can you evaluate in terms of monetary value?
Yes, I have been reliably informed that each kit costs 8 million. So 8 times 20, that is over 160 million that the university has received this afternoon. And we're grateful. We cannot take it for granted. We need to make use of this as it is.
Uh,
Be given to all the government aided schools or
No.
even private schools?
No, these are made for only 20 government primary schools, which were selected according to the criteria that the ministry had sent to my office sometime last year before we closed for term 3.
How will this contribute to the performance in those primary schools?
I said these are practical things. And our syllabus these days, the curriculum is so practical. You have to go for projects. How do you make energy? How do you make electricity? electricity, and others.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you too. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.